think I'm gonna become an ornithologist. Ornithologist? I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing this. Botanics? Botanics. This is their season. There she is. It's a botanics. Wow, I did not expect to see I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing this again, a botaniques on my first day of being an ornithologist. And I might be mispronouncing that too, because that's just me. That's just what I do. I mispronounce words, but you know what? That doesn't mean you shouldn't still go out there and try and do new things. I promise you, you'll like it.